Looking for a reliable dash cam to improve your driving safety? This 4K front and rear dash cam is a great option. It records in ultra-clear 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, giving you full coverage of everything happening around your vehicle. The 170-degree wide-angle lens helps capture more of the road, reducing blind spots and ensuring you don't miss important details. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect the dash cam to your smartphone and access recordings through the app, making it simple to view or share footage anytime. It also comes with a 64GB SD card, so you can start using it right away without any extra setup. The Night Vision and WDR technology ensure clear video even in low-light conditions, while loop recording automatically overwrites old footage to save space. In case of an accident, the G sensor locks important clips so they are not deleted. Overall, this dash cam is a smart investment for anyone who wants better security, convenience, and peace of mind on the road.